Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, blue color, pink color, red color. Let's learn alphabets, capital letter. A for apricot. B for banana. C for chocolate. D for dress. E for art. F for fingers. G for garden. H for honey. I for injection. J for juice. K for kitten. L for love. M for magic. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pencil. Q for quotation. R for rest. S for spinach. T for train. U for uniform. V for van. W for will. X for Christmas. Y for yum. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Hello guys, let's learn alphabets, lowercase letters and numbers. Let's start. A for ant. B B for boy. C for cow. D for dinosaur. E for eyes. F for fairy. G for grass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kindergarten. L for lava. M for mango. N for nose. O for ocean. P for park. Q for queen. R for road. S for sun. T for teacher. U for universe. V for vulture. W for wind. X for Xerox. Y for yam. Z for zoo. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.